Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. From couple of days I was not well, so I thought I'll take a break. But one of the viewer requested a reading, so I thought I'll do it today. Then this reading will be about no contact. What are they feeling and thinking about you right now? What are they doing? Everything we will come to know in this reading. So I have two piles here. Pile 1 is the white quartz and pile 2 is black tourmaline. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose it. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can choose the pile. Then please note, these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. So without wasting much time, we will start the reading. Okay, so what are they thinking and feeling about you right now? No contact. And what are they feeling and thinking about you? So this is pile 1. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. So let's ask spirits. Okay, so no contact. What are they doing and feeling about my pile 1 people? What are their person thinking and feeling right now about my pile 1 people? So please give us some clarity and guidance. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, spirit guides, angels and archangels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings? 5 of Cups, the Hanged Man, King of Wands, the Tower, 9 of Pentacles, the Lovers, and bottom of the deck it is 5 of Wands. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you the signs what I can see here. I can see strongly Aries, I can see Gemini, and I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, almost all signs are here, but prominent is Aries and Gemini. Okay, so please don't go by signs because it is a general reading. So okay, let's continue. So your person right now is fighting with others, or they are feeling that they have lot of competition. Okay, maybe you are very famous or attractive, or you have lot of suitors. That's what it says. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. So like this person is feeling that they have lot of competition to win you. So they are feeling like they have to fight with others to get you or win you back in their life. So that is why they are like bit hesitant, because they have the self-worth feelings. I can see here they have some self-worth feelings, and they feel that you have already somebody there in your life, like that they feel. Okay, so they don't know whether you will choose them or not. So they have definitely self-worth issues. So they are very very sad, and they are thinking about the past moments whatever you had in the past. So they are constantly thinking about you. Maybe if you have exchanged any text messages, they are keep on reading those messages. Or if they have your photos, pictures with them, then they are constantly looking at them and missing you a lot. And sometimes they are crying also. They are into a very dark energy. If their feeling I'm getting is like they want to take you away from this world. Okay, they want to take you and run away from this world somewhere very far. They want to take you, and they don't want this competition, and they don't want anybody to be with you. Okay, so they want you whole, like they want you to be with themselves. Okay, so they feel they have these kind of a feeling, and but they are not able to do because they are very very possessive about you, and they want you for to themselves only. Okay, and the hanged man means they are not able to move because of all these fears and anxiety, and they are feeling that why will this person choose me? Okay, what I have special in me? So like that they have issues, that because of that they didn't express their feelings also to you. For maximum of my viewers, this person is introvert. They never expressed their feelings clearly to you, so you don't know what they are thinking actually. So they are like this kind of a feeling they have. And king of wands, that means they want to come towards you, they want to take action. Okay, and they are king of wands in the sense they have lot of passionate feelings towards you. Okay, till now king of wands means always they want to take action. Okay, king of wands will not sit quietly. Okay, they want to take some action. So this person is in that moment, and the tower moment. So that means something will happen unexpectedly, and suddenly this person will come towards you because they are ready, they are in a king of wands position. So they want to come towards you, and it will happen suddenly. Okay, so when you are not thinking about them, not at all bothered about them, suddenly they will appear in your life. Maybe 1 or 2 years you are not in communication with this person, maybe something happened between you, some fight or argument, or they saw you with someone else, or maybe in your social media post or something which you posted, or WhatsApp status. So you posted something which triggered them. Okay, so they feel that okay, this person is not interested in me, or they have someone else in their life, but in any way they want to come towards you, they want to clarify actually. Why? Because they love you, the lovers card is there, so they love you dearly, and they feel that this is a divine connection and God has shown you to them. Okay, so they think you as a God's gift, I can say. And you both are kind of Adam and Eve, and angels are supporting this connection. That's what they are feeling. And they feel that you are very independent, free, independent, beautiful. Then you are very attractive. Anybody will fall for you. You have money, you have power, you have beauty, you have health, you have everything. Okay, that's how they view you. Okay, that's how they think about you. So that is the reason they are very hesitant to come towards you. Okay, so let's pull three more cards and see. Okay, so what else you want to say spirit? What are they thinking and feeling right now? What do you want to say to my viewers? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What do you want to say to my viewers? What are they feeling, and what are they thinking in this no communication, no contact period? Please give us some guidance. Okay, one second. Prince, Eight of Suns. Definitely the communication will happen, no doubt about it. Magician. Okay, so bottom of the deck we have here. Okay, Ace of Spheres. Okay, that means Ace of Pentacles. So definitely this person is thinking a lot about you, and they are kind of now they're like see, again twice it came, the King of Wands, twice it came. That means definitely they are very very passionate about you. They have lot of passionate feelings towards you, and they want to come, they want to take action actually. So that is the reason they want to come. Even they are in a king position. Earlier they were not in a king position, but right now they are they have come to a king position, and they want to come towards you with a like a new beginning. Okay, they want to offer you some maybe a business offer, or they want to make you as a partner. So they want to give you a stable offer or a commitment. See, Eight of Wands is always like they want to communicate. Definitely it will happen unexpectedly, suddenly, when you don't expect. This person will call or text you first, then they will come towards you directly. Okay, so definitely this will happen in near future, because they are not able to resist themselves how long they can be away from you. And definitely they want to know about you, what you are doing, what you are feeling. Okay, they are manifesting you in their life. They are, maybe they are following law of attraction or something like that, or they want to trick you and win you. Somehow they want to win you, so they might do some manipulations or mind games. Okay, so this person, because they are not open, they are not like express their feelings freely, so they want to play some mind games, trickery. Okay, so but only thing is they want to win you, that's all. Okay, there is nothing wrong in that, or they don't have any bad intentions about you, but they want to win you. Okay, the passion is increasing day by day and they want to come towards you. They are in a king position now. Earlier maybe they were in a page position, but right now they are matured and they are capable of dealing with you, or capable of taking care of you. That's what they feel, because they feel that you are abundant, you have everything with you, and they had some self-worth issues. But now they came back into the king of wands position. That means they are ready to take your responsibility or take care of you, or can give you commitment. Okay, that is why they want to come towards you. Maybe you can see the cards better. Okay, because of this ace of spears means definitely they want to offer something stable. Okay, so for many of you they can give you commitment also. Okay, congratulations. I can see a very very positive reading for pile 1, whoever chose. Definitely this person will come towards you unexpectedly, and they will call you or text you unexpectedly, and they will come towards you with a stable offer. So expect some mind games and some manipulation also, but it is not with a wrong intention. Okay, let's pull one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card from angels and spirit guides. Angels and spirit guides, what do you want to say about this connection and both of them, my viewer and their person? Please give us some guidance card. Okay, the high priestess, they are saying that you follow your gut instinct, and you follow, don't listen to others, or don't think about others. Follow your gut feeling and follow your intuition. Maybe my viewers are very much intuitive, I feel that. So you have to listen to your heart. Okay, so that is what they are saying. And high priestess means always they go in a right path, right direction. Okay, so they are thinking that if your heart says that yes, this person is for me, right for me, and then go ahead, don't think about any other things. And let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. What are they thinking and feeling about my people, my viewers? What are they thinking and feeling? What are they thinking and feeling about my viewers? Okay, we have many cards here. There is so much I want to say to you. Definitely, because no communication, no contact, definitely they want to communicate with you. Financially unstable. Maybe because of that they didn't accept your offer, or they didn't express their feelings because of financial problems. Children are affecting this connection. Maybe you have children or they have children. Okay, for some of you, maybe you are married, for some of the viewers. So children are affecting your connection. I'm not the right person. So that's what I said. No, they have self-worth issues. That is the reason they are in a stuck position, like a hanged man position. Fear of commitment. They have a fear of commitment, that they are thinking that will I be a right person or a good person for them, like that. You are my world. Okay, definitely this person have lot of emotions and feelings towards you, and they love you a lot. Long distance relationship. For many of you, this might be a long distance relationship. Are you happy without me? So they are asking, are you happy without me? So they are not happy, so they are asking you. My past is haunting me, don't wait. Okay, so some part of their mind says that okay, I cannot be a right person, so don't wait for me. So like that they are thinking, but they have lot of feelings towards you, they don't know what to do. So that is the reason this no communication, because they want to find out what they exactly want from you. Okay, now let's pull some initials. Okay, let's pull some initials about your person. This might be their first name, last name, or middle name. V, J, okay, M, D, P, O, then Q, F, U, N, and S. Okay, so please take it however it resonates. This might be your person's first name, last name, middle name. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. That's all I have for you. Until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings? No contact, no communication. What are they thinking and feeling about you? Let's ask angels and spirit guides. Please, angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they feeling and thinking about my viewer? Whoever it is, what are they thinking and feeling about my viewers right now? What are they feeling and thinking about my viewer? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirit. Angels and archangels, please give us some guidance. Okay, so this is Four of Cups, Three of Swords, Eight of Wands, the Star, Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles. So we have bottom of the deck, Nine of Wands. Okay, so let's see. So I can see a lot of wands here. Your person might be Aquarius strongly. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is there already. Then almost all signs are there. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you have this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But rest all signs are there. Don't go by signs because this is general reading, right? So okay, let's come to the point. So this person is waiting for you and their guards are up, like something happened between you. So they don't want to feel the defeat, okay? So they don't want to accept their mistake. So they feel that they are right. They have not done anything wrong in this connection. So their guards are up, but they are tired of waiting. They are not feeling well also actually. So maybe because of overthinking, so they are tired, but they are keeping on to this connection, like they are holding this connection very tightly because they feel that this is very dearly connection to them. Maybe earlier they didn't accept your offer. Maybe you offered them the cup of love. You proposed them. Maybe some of you, some, but they didn't accept actually. So maybe they were that time some third party was there and they were coming out of this connection. So that time they were not interested actually. Okay, that maybe they rejected you. I feel that because Four of Cups, they are not ignoring you. They rejected you. They didn't give that much value to you because they have the third party connection. Okay, Three of Swords is there. So they were, when you approached them, so they were coming out of some other relationship and they were very sad and heartbroken actually. So they feel that someone betrayed them. So all the people are like this only. They were in that kind of a pessimistic view in the past. Okay, so that time you approached, then they could not accept your offer. Okay, so that is the reason they might have rejected you in the past. But as of now, right now, they are waiting for you. They are waiting for your message or call or text, and they are not accepting that they are wrong. Okay, so they say, they, if even if you talk with them also, they might say that situations are like that, I am not wrong. So maybe you can expect the same answer from them. And definitely they want to communicate with you, they want to talk to you because Eight of Wands is there. Definitely they will call you or text you because they are into that mindset. Okay, they want to communicate, they want to talk to you, they want to know what exactly you want from them. Okay, because they know what they want from you and they want to tell them clearly what you want. Maybe if earlier you have done that also, they rejected also, now they want to hear, are you still interested in me? Okay, that kind of a thing. And this might be for some of you, might be a long distance relationship because the Star card is there. Or they see you as a star or celebrity, so maybe you are famous. Okay, so that is how they see. And they also see that there is a hope in this connection still, and they love you a lot and they want to come towards you, like with the offer of love, with the cup of love, they want to come towards you. They want to offer their love and they have lot of emotions and feelings towards you. So nobody can deny that because Page of Cups means they have lot of pure intentions and they have lot of love towards you, and this person is romantic also, I can feel. and but they are juggling with two people or two things actually. That is the reason they were in a no communication. So maybe right now they are coming out of that situation, and they want to come towards you fresh, clean, okay, without any burden in their mind. So definitely they want to come towards you. They feel that you both are soulmates actually. They feel that this is a divine connection, and you both are meant to be together. So that is the reason they want to come towards you. And maybe they are juggling with two things, or maybe they have business and job also. Maybe they are busy with that, or it can be maybe they are juggling with two people also, so we don't know. So that you should comment in the comment section, okay, if you know about them. So that is what I can see, but let's pull more cards, okay. Let's pull more cards about your person. Let's pull more cards. What are they thinking and what are they feeling right now about my viewer? Okay. So, archangels and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. Astronomer. And 9 of moons. 8 of swords. 8 of stars. And bottom of the deck we have the page, okay, page of suns. So 2 times page is there, so definitely they want to come towards you passionately and lovingly. They want to express their love towards you, and they see you as queen of pentacles. For some of you, I feel that maybe you are a single mom, okay. Some of the viewers are single moms or divorcees, okay. So they see you as very abundant person in your life, and they see you as you have everything in your life, okay. That's how they feel. And they see you as their wish fulfillment. They are also single, they are not with anybody right now. So maybe earlier they had some breakup with somebody else, and now they are pretty much single, bachelor, or I can say. So they want to come towards you like a page of wands and page of cups, okay. So they want to communicate actually, they want to communicate, they want to talk to you, they want to express their feelings, but they are blindfolded, I can say. You both are blocked each other. Maybe you blocked them in social media, or they blocked you. Some blockage I can see, because of their not able to move, because of this confusion. They don't know whether you like them, whether you will allow them in your life or not, whether you are interested in them right now. So earlier you were interested, but right now are you interested? So that's what they want to know. And but they don't know, this confusion is there. So that is the reason they are if you have blocked them, maybe you can unblock and see what they want to say, because they want to communicate, they want to approach you. So they are trying actually, they are thinking in lot many ways how to contact with you, but you have blocked them or they have blocked you. I don't know who blocked whom. Please comment in the comment section if you feel it, okay. If it resonates with you, you can comment in the comment section, so that I will know that my readings are actually working, or I'm getting correct messages from the universe. Okay, so that is what I can see, friends. These are all the current feelings of your person. So let's pull one advice card or guidance card from the spirit guides. Spirit guides and angels, please give us some advice or guidance for my pile 2. Okay, so we have the lovers. Definitely you both love each other. This love is unconditional. So universe is saying that you both are meant to be together. You love each other. So you don't think about any other thing. You follow your heart and follow the love. Okay. So because you both are meant to be together, this is divinely connected. So they are giving green signal, I can say. Universe is giving green signal that go ahead and this is the right person. Don't have any fears or doubts about this person. Okay, let's pull some messages from your person. Let's pull some messages from your person. What is your person's feelings right now? I look for you everywhere. Okay, definitely this person is looking for you everywhere because they miss you so much. I'm stuck now, please move on. Okay, maybe they are stuck, as I told you, they are dealing with juggling with two things or two people. or business or a job. So that is why they are saying that I'm stuck right now, please move on. But they want to communicate, they want to contact you. One side it is saying like that, but the other side they want to know what you are doing because they love you so much. You can never know if you have truly in love with love until you get separated, definitely. So after you got separated, this person came to know that they love you. It was my fault, but I blamed you. Maybe earlier you had a fight, and then they said you are wrong, and they are saying sorry. I'm sorry. They are saying so cute. Let's work this out. So one side they are saying that okay, don't wait, please move on, but the other side they are saying that let's work this out because their inner feeling is this only. Like they want to work this out and they want to talk to you. Let's watch the sunset sitting in the beach. They have many romantic feelings for you. I miss you every moment of my life. Yes, surely this person misses you. After every storm, there comes sunshine. Please wait for me. So one side they are saying please move on, other side they are saying please wait for me because they are confused actually. You want them or not, they don't know. Eight of Swords is there, so they are confused. You are like a mirror to me and it scares me. Maybe for some of you this might be a twin flame connection, but most of the people I feel that it is a soulmate connection only. But maybe for some of you it is a twin flame connection also. Let's pull some initials of your person. Let's pull some initials. Okay. P, Y, M. Okay. S. M and S linked together. I'm not able to take them out. Maybe you and your person M and S, you want to be chained together like this. M and S. Okay. D. Please let me know, friends. M and S, if your first name, middle name, last name, and your person's first name, middle name, last name, because M and S are together chained and they don't want to get separated. U, N, C, W, V, and A. Okay, so these are all the initials of your person. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If this reading resonates with you, please comment and let me know how you feel about this reading. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.